What is OEE? Overall Equipment Effectiveness. It is a combination of three key factors: availability, or machine runtime, divided by planned production time; performance, or total count divided by the runtime, divided by the ideal run rate; quality, or good items divided by total items. Each of these is calculated as a percentage out of 100. You then multiply the three percentages together to get your OEE, in this case, 76%. An OEE of 100% means you are producing only good items as fast as you can with no stops. An OEE of 85% is generally considered world-class, while 60% or lower shows significant room for improvement. Take a moment to review some of the most frequent losses resulting in poor OEE.